Ito na si Bart ha? Sino ba to?
Ako.
Hello?
Gusto ako.
Hello?
Wala, hindi naman recorded yung Google.
Ha?
Hindi naman recorded to Google. Sama ko ba ito sa stream?
Ano ba? Meet ba?
Ano ba?
Hindi.
Ano ba? YouTube?
Isama ko ba sa stream yung Google Meet?
Ikaw? Hindi ko alam eh.
Pwede pala.
Delete pala yung sa YouTube ano?
Sasalita ako.
Delete yung YouTube. Ano ilang? Ikaw? Hindi ko alam eh.
Delay niya, yan.
Delete pala yung sa YouTube ano? Delete yung YouTube. Ano ilang? Ikaw? Hindi ko alam eh. Hello?
Game na ba, game na. Wala ba natin mag-shoot? Ayan, nandiyan pa si Jessica.
Kanya siya. Tayo magkatayan dyan si Jess.
Pero na, nagsama pa ito na
Huwag ka na sumali!
Bakit?
Sabihin mo, nawawala yung audio ng live.
Wala to, ano?
Hindi kapag sabay ang Google. Kakayin mo na!
Bakit? Gusto mo sumali?
Oo, umalis na ako. Kapag nanonood ng, ay kapag kasali sa Gmeet, hindi naririnig yung live.
Ha?
So, syempre, wala. I mean, wala sa app. Yun lang.
Naririnig mo yung audio sa live? I think
Mas mas updated yung sa Google.
Bakit hindi ako nakita yun?
Accept mo daw si tweet sa Google. Okay. Ask to join ka kasi.
Wala
Ask mo ulit.
sa kanto, hindi pa sa na-charge. Hindi ata.
Bakit wala yung participants? Dapat mayroon to.
John.
Sino to John na to?
Si John RV.
Oh? Macho?
Ate,
Si John RV, eh, picture eh.
John
Accept mo
Arvin.
daw si tweet.
Janarby!
Hello.
Hello!
Ano na ba? Si Vina is joining.
Oh, yeah.
Ang username.
Hello, Vina.
Hello!
Pressure badge.
Bakit accept mo ko?
English
Ah.
lang.
No request.
Ang ganda naman ng background mo, Bart.
See. I'm still washing the dishes.
I'm watering the plants.
the dishes. See what you're up to.
Mali at
Yes.
yung wrong link ata yung gateway. Yeah.
Sino yung material sa ano?
As a join, yun.
So are we ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it on.
Sir, question?
Bart, accept daw si tweet.
Yeah.
Yung 160. Yan. Welcome, sir.
Ano ka? Turn off mo yan.
Sir, may I go out?
Hindi na nga lang.
Nag-auto.
Yan na lang, yan na lang. Ano yun?
All good, all good. Shall we?
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Ha?
Start recording.
Late
How
lang.
many participants? Bart.
5.
5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Huwag nga, no? Only 5?
It's okay. Recorded naman, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, okay na yan.
You want to share the screen tonight?
Hindi mo, tahimik lang eh.
Nandiyan.
Emong! Galaw-galaw!
No.
Hi!
Binabati ko nga
Excited
pala
yung
yung
try.
nanay ko.
Okay. So, I think first thing first, sino ba gusto mag-introduce?
Ikaw,
Okay
You.
yan.
Yeah.
Ivy na.
Join ka. I think I need to...
I thought it's Nathan. It's
Oh, it's
Nathan.
Nathan.
Who's Nathan?
Can I assign admin? Anyway, let's proceed na. Let's proceed. Paano ba to? I can share screen sa Google Meet.
Or I just have to say this is how it feels. Say for example, if we're all like office mates and we're doing team meeting day by day basis, it will be awesome.
It would be chaotic.
Okay,
Oh, what else you gustos? What's that?
I need admin.
Oh,
Oh, Kuya Darwin.
yeah, we need to add. Oh, Gian joined. Hi, Gian. Shout out.
Welcome.
Shout out to Gian. Oh, let's mute.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, the slides.
Yes, we can.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hi,
So,
Gian.
let's proceed. I'm gonna do draw lots. Okay, can you see my screen right now? I'm in the homepage
Yeah, it's
ng
too small.
196. Too small?
Yep,
It's blurred.
Try rotating your phone.
too small.
Too
Ito,
small.
ito.
Still. Can you rotate?
Yeah, rotate your phone.
It's too small.
I
The
mean, it's blurred.
yeah, blood.
Blur.
Yeah.
Japan?
Yeah.
Ayan.
There you go.
Yep,
Full
it's
screen.
clear.
Full screen.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fine.
All good now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So we have to speak in English because we have some friends here. Okay. So let's start.
Okay.
First, we're gonna
Okay.
do check for the participants list. Wait, where's my website? So I'm gonna click participants list. Just to review, we have for A women's doubles, we have Sai, France, Jess, Lynn, May, Mary, Juan, Tweety, Vera, and Vina. Okay. For A men's doubles, we have Abu, Chester, Chin, Darwin, George, Jared, Jerwin, John D, LJ, and Pong. For B men's doubles, which is also can be in mixed doubles, we have B, Bart, me, Bart, Bosmel, Gerald, Gian, John RV, Mikey, Mario, Mark P, Knights, Noel, Phil, Raymond, Rio, Russell, and Vince. Then for mixed doubles women's, that we have Ayaka, Chi, Corinne, Jen, and Marie Chris. And for C open doubles, we have what's that? Agel, Alan, Ami, Aviel, Grizel, Flo, Gemma, Ice, Lisa, and Nathan. Okay, so we're gonna proceed with the team draw. Dapat pala si John RV yung nandito eh. And what we will do, we will select the level, for example, A women's doubles, and then select name, and then this draw button will allocate which team you will be. Okay, ready? Ready?
Go,
Yes,
go,
sir.
go, go.
Drum roll. Okay, let's start. Let's try Jess first. Okay,
Wow.
Jess, let's draw your team. Ta-da! You're Team A.
Wow.
Yay.
There will be a
Is
results
it, is it,
below.
is
You
that
can review
random
it later.
or?
It's random. It's random, of course. Uh, May, I'll just
Hindi.
select random as well. Team E, Lean will be Team B. France will Team B. Okay? Let me know if it's too fast. Mary, Team A.
Okay.
One, Team D. Three, Team D.
If you want to.
Sai, Team E. Vera, Team C.
Two teams C's.
Yeah. And Vina is Team C. Okay. So just to review the result for the A women's doubles, we have Mary and Jess for Team A, France and Dean for Team B, Vera and Vina for Team C, Owen and Tweety for Team D, Sai and May for Team E. Good?
Amazing.
Print screen,
Uy,
please.
di na kinakabahan yan.
Print
Kinakabahan.
screen.
In English.
Okay. A men's doubles. Eto na. Abu, Team B, Chester, Team E, Chin, Team A, Darwin, Team B, George, Team E, Jared, Team D, Jerwin, Team A, John V, Team C, we have LJ, Team D, and Pong as Team C. Okay, let's review. For Team A, Jerwin and Chin. Lakas. Abu and Darwin, John V and Fong, LJ and Jared, George and Chester. Okay?
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Okay, eto na. Medyo masalimuot. B, men's doubles. Mamaya na ako. Boss Mel, Team B. Gerald, Team B. Gian, Team C. John RV, Team A. Mario, Team C. Mark P. Team E. Knights, Team A. Noel, Team E. Raymond, Team D. Phil, Team E. Russell, Team A. Mikey, Team B. Vince, Team D. Rio, Team D. At Bart, Team C. Yeah. So review. So sa Team A, we have John RV, Russell, and Knights. Team B, we have Gerald, Mikey, and Boss Mel. Team C, Bart, Mario, and Gian. Team D, Vince, Raymond, and Rio. Team E, Mark, Phil, and Noel. Okay? So sa babae naman ng mixed, of course, we have to set them as well. Ayaka is Team D. Phil is Team A. Corinne is Team C. Jen is Team E. And Marie Chris is Team B. Okay, so review. Team A, Chi. Team B, Marie Chris. Team C, Corinne. Team D, Ayaka. And Team E, Jen. Okay? So far, okay pa? Last. Pero
Okay.
for this case, yung C open doubles will be, we will just draw for male kasi we have a prefix pre-arranged for the female. Kung ano yung uh, team ng men, yung din yung sa partner niya. Okay? So, the Agel,
English, please.
D, Alan is E, ay, babae pala. Aviel is B, and then Ice is C, and Nathan is A. Okay? So,
Bart, do you mind explaining again the one that you said about the females saying that each
uh, yeah.
pre-assigned or something?
Yes, because for open doubles level C, uh, we have we try to balance the pairing. So we have pre-arranged the pairing. So we have teka lang, I'll get my list. Asan ba yun? We have a you cannot see, no?
You're on mute, Vina, if you're talking.
Ajel and Gemma will be in pair. Ice and Amy, Alan and Lisa, Aviel
You're
and
not sharing,
Crisel.
Bart.
Oo nga eh. Let me just share stuff.
Nice bit.
Ayan. And this is the pairing for level C. We have Ajel and Gemma, Ice and Amy, Alan and Lisa, Aviel and
You're not
Crisel,
sharing.
Nathan and Flo. Okay? Okay ba?
No, you didn't see.
Okay, okay.
Meron. Shared.
Sure, bro. Where?
The screen.
I don't.
I am
No, you're
presenting.
not sharing.
Nakikita
I
niyo
don't
ba,
see
iba?
anything.
No, can't see.
Ha?
Yeah.
Where?
Screen share.
Hindi nakikita dito.
I'm not
Not
saying
in live, not
anything.
in live.
Yeah.
Not in live.
Not in live.
Ay,
Say chat.
wait. Dapat pala ni-live natin tong ano.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Right.
So, yeah. So, that's all. Balik na natin sa pairing. But, I need to set pala yung pairing nila. Wait. Let me just balik ko muna. Set yung pair. Please, give me a minute. Ajel and Gemma. Crisel and Aviel. Aviel is team B. Amy is team IC. Lisa is Alan, team E. And Flo is Nathan. Nathan is A. Okay. Okay, so going back to the confirmed participants, we have this team. So for team A, we have Chi, Chin, Flo, Janarvi, Jerwin, Jess, Mary, Nathan, Knights, and Russell. Maybe I'll just show here. Yeah. So team A, Mary, Jess, Jerwin, Chin, John RV, Russell. Kita nyo?
Yes.
Knights might mix with, depends on the captain kung sino magmi-mix for the mixed doubles level B. And then for C is Flo and Nathan. Then for Team B, we have France, Lean, Abu Darwin, Gerald, Mikey, Boswell, Marie Chris, VLV, Crisel. And for Team C, we have Vera, Vina, John B, Pong, Bart, Mario, Gian, Corinne, Ice, and Amy. For Team D, Owen, Tweety, LJ, Jared, Vince, Raymond, Rio, Ayaka, Agel, Gemma. And for Team E, we have Sai, May, George Chester, Mark, V, and Phil, Noel, Jen, Lisa, and Alan. Okay, so yeah, so that concludes the list. Any questions?
Explain to me.
All good? Yeah, you
Alright,
can find this on
Noel
the
have
website.
question.
Yes, yes, go.
How does the B works? The B
Oh,
level
B,
works. It
B
goes
level.
through,
Okay, good
yeah, it
question.
goes like three.
We have set in the rules like for level B, dito ba? For B level doubles can be mixed by team captain. So but me, they must submit the final pairing. The captain will set the pairing for level B because for B we have mixed doubles and men's doubles. So we have three men and one woman. So bahala na si team captain kung paano. Pero once submitted, it will be final and will be the the pairing for the whole tournament. Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
Can you share
Yeah, this one is public.
screenshot? Thank you.
Okay? So
Oh,
kung wala lang, any more question, wala na.
Bart, question: how will the team determine who will their team captain be?
I think we will create a group chat for each of the teams. So it depends on the members
You
who will be
reckon? Because
there.
sometimes I think while that can work, the downside of it sometimes is that I don't know if the team would agree. Normally, they would consider, say, for example, the person who will be playing in the highest level should assume the role, or sometimes when they kind of like, I don't know, voluntold somebody, and then apparently that person is not willing to be the team captain, and then it goes chaotic in, towards the end. Would you reckon it would be better if you would assign it to the team who you think would be like who would be suitable to be the team captain for the team, or you let the team decide on that?
I usually yung pinakamataas ang nagiging team captain but it depends on the person kung gusto niya rin if they are willing to be a team captain or not. Then if not, then someone has to step up. Team
Right.
captain actually the responsibility is just to ensure that the score sheets are all good, the team members are participating and also umpiring. Yeah. So probably if no one really step up, we can ask. I mean, the committee will select someone and then ask the person to be the team captain of the team. Would that be
Yep.
all clear.
yep? Any other question po?
No more questions.
Kailan yung totoong bunutan? Practice pa lang to.
Hindi ka ba happy?
May hockey.
Tunay na yan.
Ay, ito na yun. Okay, sorry.
Okay na
Naka-join
po?
lang sa usapan.
Okay na. Kung wala nang question, I think we can end the
Alright.
session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Kura.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good job, Bart.
Good job, Bart.